It's that time again for us to highlight our picks of the latest and greatest new cruise ships for 2021. And that's coming up on Talking Cruise. Hi, I'm Chris Cardona. After a year where we saw a worldwide pause in cruising, it's time to look forward to the new cruise ships coming in 2021. It's going to be an exciting year for new ship builds with tons of variety in design, purpose, and features. In this video, we'll be highlighting our top picks, starting off with some highly anticipated vessels delayed from 2020. Carnival Cruise Line's Mardi Gras is not only their largest ship ever, it's likely one of the most anticipated new cruise ships for 2021. Powered by liquefied natural gas, Mardi Gras will be a vast departure in design, amenities, and style than what we've seen from Carnival before, highlighted by the world's first roller coaster at sea. Named Bolt, the electric ride vehicles will reach speeds up to 40 miles per hour. There's also a totally brand new design of Carnival Waterworks, Sports Square, and the main pool deck. Carnival favorites like Blue Iguana Cantina, Guy's Burger Joint, Guy's Pig and Anchor Smokehouse Brewhouse, Seafood Shack, and more are back, joined by new venues Shack's Big Chicken, Street Eats, Red Frog Tiki Bar, and Emerald's Bistro 1396. There's the new multi-level Grand Central Atrium, Summer Landing Aft Pool Area, reimagined Havana Bar and Pool, al fresco dining opportunities, and all new stateroom and suite designs. You'll also find new Carnival entertainment and show venues, spa experiences, and a debut of Carnival XL level suites, featuring a host of amenities and perks like access to the Loft 19 pool and sun deck. Mardi Gras will sail year-round from Port Canaveral, Florida, alternating 7-night Eastern and Western Caribbean itineraries through at least April 2023. MSC Virtuosa will share the title of largest ship in the MSC Cruises fleet, along with her sister MSC Grandiosa. The ship will offer the most popular features found on other Meraviglia-class vessels, including the LED domed promenade, with more venues to drink and dine, 2 all-new Cirque du Soleil shows available per sailing, massive aqua park, over a dozen dining venues, F1 racing simulator, and the exclusive MSC Yacht Club and Aria Experience private areas. Guests will also be able to utilize Zoe, MSC Cruises' digital cruise assistant. MSC Virtuosa will offer varying 3 to 14-night Europe and Mediterranean itineraries. Royal Caribbean's Odyssey of the Seas will be the first of their popular Quantum-class vessels to home port seasonally from Florida. The ship will feature the latest technology along with several interesting interactive elements. Like sister Quantum Ultra-class ship Spectrum of the Seas, Odyssey will include class-specific venues like the Music Hall, Royal Esplanade, 270, North Star, the Seaplex, and Ripcord by iFly. Plus, the best features from around the fleet, including Skypad, Lime and Coconut Pool Bar, Playmaker Sports Bar and Arcade, Splashaway Bay, Flowrider, and Solarium with Pool. The most popular included and specialty restaurants, kids and teen spaces, and Vitality Spa and Fitness Center. Odyssey of the Seas will debut from Civitavecchia, Italy, offering 7 to 12-night Europe and Mediterranean cruises through October, before repositioning to Fort Lauderdale, Florida, where Odyssey will sail 6 to 9-night Caribbean cruises through April 2022. Crystal Cruises is taking their 6-star excellence to expedition cruising. With an unmatched 1-to-1 staff-to-guest ratio, Crystal Endeavour, the line's first expedition ship, will keep guests pampered while on their cruise of discovery and adventure. The ship will feature 6 dining venues, luxurious all-suite accommodations, a glass-enclosed solarium, the marina fold-out platform, high-end shopping, wellness spa, and several lounges providing incredible views, entertainment, learning experiences, and social opportunities. Crystal Endeavour will sail to adventurous locales, exploring exciting destinations in Alaska, Europe, Antarctica, Asia, and South America. Viking Ocean Cruises, a relative newcomer to ocean cruising, is on an aggressive schedule to build 12 new ships in under 10 years. Making her debut in 2021, Viking Venus will be nearly identical to sister ships and offer modern and comfortable accommodations for just 930 guests, allowing for more interaction with crew and the destinations visited. Although small, The ship will feature many of the activities and services found on large cruise ships, including multiple dining venues, bars, shops, fitness center and spa, pool with retractable roof and the aft infinity pool, and several entertainment lounges. Viking Venus will sail from several European ports of call throughout her first year of operation. AIDA Cosma, the latest ship from German cruise line AIDA Cruises, will be the line's second cruise ship to run on liquefied natural gas. Like her sister, AIDA Nova, AIDA Cosma will offer her guests many incredible experiences on board. Enjoy the fun park with children's pool, a twin water chute, and the water slide. Relax in the beach club where it always feels like summer. And add to that 16 restaurants, 17 bars, over 20 types of accommodations, and a very stylish and contemporary decor throughout the ship. Set to debut in May 2021, AIDA Cosma will be the largest ship to home port in Dubai for the 2021-2022 cruise season as she sails the Arabian Gulf. Valiant Lady, the second adult-only ship from newcomer Virgin Voyages, will be virtually identical to her sister, Scarlet Lady. On board, just about anywhere you go will scream Virgin style, with ultra-contemporary furnishings and one-of-a-kind amenities like a tattoo parlor and record shop. Staterooms feature modern appointments, and the Rockstar suites are over the top. While there will be an emphasis on healthy cruising with complimentary fitness classes, you'll still be able to indulge at the over 20 included dining venues. Speaking of inclusions, how about free gratuities, Wi-Fi, filtered water, and sodas? During Valiant Lady's inaugural year, sailors will be able to select from 3 Mediterranean itineraries departing from Barcelona, Spain, 2 transatlantic voyages, and 6 to 8 night Caribbean itineraries from Miami, each with a stop at Virgin Voyages' exclusive Beach Club at Bimini. As the 3rd Pinnacle-class ship, MS Rotterdam will offer elegant style and a sophisticated decor. Guests will enjoy several unique dining venues throughout the ship, including the classic Pinnacle Grill and poolside eats at Dive-In and New York Pizza, plus immersive activities like Microsoft Studio workshops and BBC Earth experiences. Entertainment comes alive at BB King's Blues Club, Lincoln Center Stage, Billboard on Board, Rolling Stone Rock Room, and more. Starting with her debut in August 2021, Rotterdam will sail Northern Europe and the Mediterranean throughout the summer and fall before repositioning to Fort Lauderdale, Florida for her Caribbean season. MSC Seashore represents the evolution of the popular seaside class ships and providing even more connections to the sea. While many guest favorite spaces like the aquapark and waterfront will return, most have been reimagined to create all new experiences. Along with the Seashore's larger size, guests can expect a host of new places to explore and a wider range of accommodations, including an expanded yacht club for the ultimate in luxury. The ship will also offer the latest proprietary MSC technologies, MSC for Me, and virtual personal cruise assistant, Zoe. MSC Seashore will debut in the Mediterranean with a series of 4 to 7 night itineraries through October 2021. Following a repositioning voyage to Miami, MSC Seashore will cruise the Bahamas and Caribbean through April 2022, featuring a stop to their private island of Ocean Key, Bahamas on most itineraries. Discovery Princess will be Princess Cruises' 6th Royal Class ship, continuing the rapid growth plans from the last several years. Discovery Princess will feature the latest evolutions found on her most recent sister ships, Sky Princess and Enchanted Princess. These include more hot tubs, a newly designed main pool deck, retreat pool, and infinity wake view aft pool. There'll also be new kids and teen spaces, an unparalleled luxury of 2 sky suites, offering tons of space for up to 5 guests with 2 bedrooms and bathrooms and a massive 700 square foot balcony. Discovery Princess will debut from Civitavecchia, Italy, sailing a series of Mediterranean itineraries before repositioning for the winter months in the Caribbean and South America. Costa Toscana will be a sister ship in the same class as Costa Smeralda, the largest cruise ships ever built for Costa Cruises. This LNG-powered ship will feature a wraparound promenade, outdoor theater, dozens of dining venues, stylish accommodations, innovative entertainment spaces, large aqua park, and the beach club. Costa Toscana will offer a series of Mediterranean itineraries from Barcelona, Spain. Seabourn Venture, Seabourn's first expedition vessel, will offer guests unbelievable adventures paired with ultra-luxurious onboard amenities. The casually elegant atmosphere is noticeable throughout the vessel. Unique guest areas include the Expedition Lounge, Discovery Center, and Seabourn Square. Explorations begin in the landing zone, offering direct access to one of the 24 Zodiacs, or dive below the surface on one of their 2 custom-built submarines. Amenities for spa and wellness, fitness, and the outdoor infinity pool await on the return. The ship features 8 distinctive dining experiences, including the Colonnade, with menus by Michelin-starred chef Thomas Keller. Seabourn Venture features 132 guest suites with private furnished verandas and a personal suite stewardess. Seabourn Venture's destinations include the Arctic, the Amazon, and Antarctica. Thanks for watching our preview of the top new cruise ships coming in 2021. Don't forget to like this video, post your comments and questions, and subscribe for more Talking Cruise.